Winter storm that sent ski lift chairs swinging and closed mountain highways in the Sierra Nevada will push across the United States and reach the plains by midweek, bringing significant rain and below-average temperatures. Mark Chennard, meteorologist at the National Weather Service at the National Center in College Park, Maryland, said it will be a busy week while this system moves across the country. Heavy snow fell in the Sierra Nevada, while downpours at lower elevations triggered flood watches Sunday across large swaths of California into Nevada. The Heavenly Ski Resort at Lake Tahoe shut down some operations when the brunt of the storm hit Saturday. The resort posted video of lift chairs swaying violently because of gusts that topped 100 miles per hour, 161 kilometers per hour, along with a tweeted reminder that wind closures are always for your. To the south, Mammoth Mountain reported that more than 20 inches, 51 centimeters, of snow fell Saturday, with another 2 feet, .6 meters, possible as the tail end of the system moved through the eastern Sierra. Many other key roads were closed because of heavy snow, including a stretch of California Highway 89 between Tahoe City and South Lake Tahoe, the Highway Patrol said. The U.S. Forest Service issued an avalanche warning for the backcountry in the mountains west of Lake Tahoe, where it said several feet of new snow and strong winds will result in dangerous avalanche conditions. Gusts up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, that sent trees into homes in Sonoma County north of San Francisco on Saturday could reach 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, over Sierra ridgetops on Sunday, the National Weather Service said.